my name is Sam. I'm an account manager here at Conde Systems, and I want to help you find products to sublimate that have high demand and low competition on Etsy. I use a software called eRank, and though we do a lot of product research here, we also need to look for keywords. I like to start looking for keywords for different holidays, events, time period. I like to use the rule to have my listings posted at least 90 days prior to a holiday. That will give it time to be seen, time to grow. So I thought of one of the upcoming holidays that we should be working on now is Mother's Day. So let's see if we can find some keywords, maybe to design for or to add to a listing, or maybe add a new product to our store that will work for Mother's Day. So I first start by putting Mother's Day in the search box. Now, sometimes, if you look for something, for instance, this one, it has great searches, but the competition is extremely high. So that's the importance of finding good keywords. Yes, this product may be for Mother's Day, but if I use Mother's Day as a keyword, I may never be seen because there's just too many people using that term. So let's see if we can find some words that may help us be seen on Etsy. I see funny Mother's Day card. I'm not making cards. Mother's Day card funny. Keep going. I'm not really seeing anything that jumps out here, but let's analyze Mother's Day gifts and see if we can find any better words. Sometimes it takes a little bit of searching to kind of get into a vein of good ideas, good words. Gift for mom, Mother's Day gift for grandma. That's a good one. Let's scroll down a little further. Gift for her. Gift for her. Here's one. Great grandma gift. I would write that one down, come back to search it. It has high search volume, low competition. First Mother's Day. High searches, low competition. Both of these I'm writing down. Next, bonus mom gift. High searches, low competition. So I'm looking for the green here. Spa gift box. Mother of the groom gift. Grammy gift. Sister gift box. Mother-in-law. So once I go down and I write down every keyword that I have high searches, so we're in the green for searches, I also want to be in the green for competition. I will then search those products specifically on eRank as well as with Etsy to come up with ideas for products that I need to list, for words that I need to use in my listings, and make something specifically for great grandmas, specifically for bonus moms, mother-daughter mugs. These items will help boost the traffic to your store. So that is some ideas that I have for Mother's Day that we should be working on now in order to have our listings live 90 days prior to Mother's Day. Again, my name is Sam. I'm an account manager here at Conde Systems. My extension is 211. My email is sbame@conde.com. I look forward to working with you and hope to talk to you soon.